everybody. Welcome. It's always a pleasure to have you guys on these webinars. So to start out, I wanted to present here a map. This is like a map of Europe where you'd have the different cities. If I were to tell you, please go from London to Berlin, and you have no idea where London, where Berlin, the chance of you making that voyage would be very, very slim. Third point, how much is this worth to me? How much would I be willing to pay if I had no other means? This particular cover has saved my phone from me dropping it a number of times. This is infinitely scalable, like Facebook serving one new customer, not acquiring, not serving one new customer costs them close to zero because it's simply one new account on a computer. Now, if you're in consulting business, on the other hand, McKinsey serving one new customer is going to cost them a lot of money, so that's unscalable. My flagship product today, I saw 40 customers before the first one said yes. 39 no's. It could have been 50, it could have been 100 no's. I did not know. Luckily, maybe I didn't know there was going to be 39 no's before I sold one. And yet today it's my flagship product.